KMRSounds.
You? Hey, why see? Big girl, about that. Honestly, nigga, gotta hear that. Yeah, Gucci, Louis, Fendi, and a Coach bag. She gon' throw that, we always wear the that. No cap, I'ma keep it moving like a nomad. We run up to your block and beat the Glock just like a moped. Look, she wanna but she ain't all that. So I told her bring her besties with my dogs out. I'm ready looking steady with a semi and a toll man. A Seppi on my belly with a Mary and a skull swag. Look, man bagged out. Brody with a Stoby whipping coke up in the trap house. Hoes be giving 30 knuckles in his bag now. I'm drinking Hennessy alone, I'm finna pass out. You know that when I'm rolling in the road, I'm bringing straps out. She told me that she know what she was on, I'm blacked out. She said that she wouldn't be chasing Birkins if she had clout. You submitting to get submissive like a tap out. Be a pot. Now I host a room full of barata. Yeah, give me an high coach. I'm a drill it, and jizzing I'm mouth. And Phillips pop, billions, right out. Senegal skilly, night tones. I was spinning, I was skidding, I was drifting, I cloud. I'm a blicky with a feely clip, I switch it lights out. And I'm pretty, I lick it, keep it vibes up. Get a ticker and go shit, yeah, who don't mind? See the 7 figures and count it. Give her that clout, not fit up and roses. Jack down fresh, you see Baba saucy. Live at that brown from the liquor that clothing. We not chop pounds, drop it bigger than bounties. No sell, y'all don't chip out. In the toad Benz, but Bob's pouted. Look, swag that. Brody with his Toby whipping coke up in the trap house. Hoes be giving bitches no cause in his bag now. I'm drinking Hennessy alone, I'm finna spaz out. You know that when I'm rolling in the road, I'm bringing straps out. She told me that she know what she was on, I'm blacked out. She said that she wouldn't be chasing Birkins if she had clout. Yo, submitting to get submissive like a tap out. Gucci, Louis, Fendi, and a Coach bag. She gon' throw that, we always wear the hose out. No cap, I'ma keep me moving like a nomad. We run up on your block, I beat the Glock just like a moped. Look, she wanna, she ain't all that. So I told her bring her besties with my dogs out. I'm ready looking steady with a semi and a toll man. A Seppi on my belly with a Mary and a skull swag. Look, my bagged out. Brody with his Toby whipping coke up in the trap house. Be giving 30 no cause it's bad now. I'm drinking Hennessy alone, I'm finna spaz out. You know that when I'm rolling in the road, I'm bringing straps out. She told me that she know what she was on, I'm blacked out. Nah, she blacked out. Hey, why see? Big girl about that.